Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. This is Visual Studio Code, and this is a Python file, and this is an IPython file. And what I want to show you is the significant difference between autocomplete in Python versus the Jupyter notebook. Now, I'm using Visual Studio Code 1.5.1, and I do have kite installed right there, which I find quite useful. And just so you know, I want to use, I'm trying to type in these commands. And when I type in soup equals, I get no suggestions here. So that means I have to type it all the way out with typo errors, beautiful soup. And when I do the same thing with autocomplete, comparison.py, beautiful soup equals, and I start, look at that, just touch the keyboard, touch the space bar, and there's my answer. So that's a big difference. It's just so much easier to code with kite in a Python file rather than try to code the same thing in Jupyter. I really like Jupyter notebooks. It's very fast, very convenient, but the autocomplete in a regular Python file is vastly superior. All right, thanks for watching and happy computing.